Hey guys, I'm back with another pocket option 5-second strategy, and in this video I'm going to invest $500 per trade so that I can give you the confidence so that you can start to use this strategy to make profitable trades for yourself. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Just join that Telegram channel and follow the instructions there and start to copy my trades automatically into your account. Now in this video, I am going to show you the same old parabolic SAR strategy, which is totally simple. And even if you are a complete beginner in binary options trading, you can also start to make profitable trades by using this strategy. So watch this video very carefully because this is the exact strategy that I have used once to make my turn my $10 into $2,541. That video I have already posted in my YouTube channel. You can watch that. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to make all of this currency pair favorite that has 92% payout. Just make these stars yellow and all of this currency pair will appear at here. Now, next thing you need to do is you need to select these candles and select this candle, okay? And if your timer is not enabled, make sure the timer is enabled so that you can see these kind of timers and make your candles of S5. That means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now, next thing you need to do is you need to click on these indicators and use this parabolic SAR indicator in this way, and you will see these kind of dots. I'll explain you exactly when you need to make trades with these dots. Now, if you see a flag at here, make it clock and select here and click on S5. Now, your trading time frame is also going to be a 5-second. Now, as I've already told you, we are going to make $500 per trade in this trading session. So now you just come to your first chart. Now let me explain you exactly how this works. So if the parabolic dots are above the candles, that means it is a downtrend. If the parabolic dots are below the candles, that means it is an uptrend. And if the parabolic SAR dots are below the candles and you see the you see that the second candle is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. And if the parabolic SAR dots are above the candles and when you see this second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. This strategy is as simple as this. Now here you can see it is 66% payout, so I am removing this. Now you need to switch the currency pair in order to find out the place where you need to make trade. Here we could have made trade by clicking on higher and this trade could have gone wrong. You will be automatically avoiding these kinds of trade because you were not in time when this second dot was forming. Okay, you can get lucky in these types of places, but you need to also understand one thing: not all of your trades are going to go right. Okay, some of your trades are going to go wrong, but this strategy is worth using and you will know exactly why after I make few trades. So let me search, keep on searching. Okay, yes, the signal sometimes it is a little bit hard to find with this strategy, but whenever you see this kind of second dot forming, then exactly at that time you can take the risk and make trades. So let's see for the places where we can exactly make trade. Here you can see there is just 75% payout, so I'll remove that currency pair. So let's switch to other currency pair and see if we can find some place where we can exactly make the trade. So here is 72% payout. Let's got it. 74% payout. Let's got it. 84% is fine. 92% is also fine. So we didn't find any places where we could make trades. So let's keep on searching. I will here we have missed the opportunity to make the trade in here, and we could have made profit at here, as you can see. So let's keep on finding. I hate this kind of thing when I'm making video. I'm not getting any entry point. Here also we missed the opportunity, we could have made profit. So now what I will do is I'll add more currency pairs at here so that we can find some beautiful place where we can make the trade. So I'll add all of this 92% payout. You can also do the same. You can also add 91% payout, okay, so that you will have lots of chart to make the trade. Here you can see euro CAD, okay. Whenever this kind of currency pair comes, your trading time frame automatically becomes 1 minute, okay. In that cases, you need to cut these currency pairs and make it S5 again, okay. Sorry, you need to switch to another chart and make it S5, okay. Otherwise your trade will be executed in 1 minute time frame. So second dot, we missed this trade, okay, but anyways we could have made loss at here. So let's keep on finding more places where we here also we missed the trade, okay, and in which we could have made profit. Here also we missed the trade, anyways we could have made profit. Let's keep on searching. Here also we missed this trade, okay, and we could have made loss. Here we missed this trade, okay, we could have made profit. Let's keep on. Here also we just missed the trade, but we could have made loss. You will not only avoid profits while you are missing the trade, you will also avoid the loss. So you don't need to take any tension while making trades with this strategy. Yes, now I am going to make the trade. I made a trade because second dot has formed and we have made profit of $460. As you can see, it was worth a while to, it was worth to wait, okay. Let's find other places. Here we missed a trade where we could have made profit. So here also we just missed a trade. Let's see where we would made loss in this trade. Anyways, it is a good thing to miss such trade. Here also we missed a trade where we could have made profit. Here also we missed a trade where we could have made loss. Let's keep on finding. Yes, one dot has formed. Now we see the timer. Whenever it is 1 second, we make a trade by clicking on higher because dot have formed below the candles. And we made the profit again. Now let's see other place. Here we missed the trade and it could have been loss. That's good thing. So let's see other places where we can make the trade. Yes, one dot has formed, second dot was about to form. That's why I made a trade by clicking on lower and we made profit in this trade also. Here you can see 3 trades continuously profitable, okay. Now yes, some trades might go loss, okay. Now what I will do is I have already made 3 trades, right, and I made a good amount of profit right now. Now what I can make my mindset is I'll keep on making trades until I make one loss, and then I will stop trading for that day and I am still profitable, okay. So one dot has formed. Now I'll make another trade at here, okay, by clicking on higher, but I made a trade a little bit fast, which was a bad thing, but still we made a profit. 4 trades are profitable already. Now if I make one trade loss, I'll stop trading for that day. I'll not be greedy, okay, and until I have not made one trade loss, I'll keep on trading with this strategy and maximize my profit. So let's keep on searching. Here you can see we have missed this trade and we could have made loss at here. That's the good thing. Okay, the 69% payout, so we'll be ignoring this chart. Here you can see we have missed this trade and we could have gone in loss. That's good thing. So let's keep on finding for more currency pair to trade. One dot has formed. Now 1 second and I'll make trade by clicking on higher because dots are below the candles. Okay, that's why I made a trade by clicking on higher. And you see there are 5 trades we have won already. We can stop here, but it is worth taking chance to make one trade loss so that we can maximize our profit. Okay, so let's make unlimited profit until we make one loss. So let's keep on searching. As you can see, I am not doing any edit in this video. Initially I didn't find any entry, so I kept on recording this video so that I can show you that I am not like editing these videos and making you show only profits. I'm not doing that thing. Okay, we missed this place. Okay, but we could have made loss. Okay, you may say that I am getting lucky, but this is not the thing. Okay, you can see my other videos related to this strategy, and in most of these I have not edited my videos and I have shown you all of my videos as it is and see how profitable I was. And not only that much, other people who are already using this strategy by learning from my videos, they are also making good amount of profit with this strategy. Here you can see there was second dot, we missed it, so it was going to be a loss. Okay, now I'll not talk about these things, only we are going to find the entry points. You can rewatch this video in order to find the good entry points, and make sure to like this video. Will not stop today until we make one loss. 5 trades are already profitable, so let's keep on searching for the no, we didn't get any signal at here. If you are scared, you can test this strategy firstly in your demo account and see how many times you can make profit, how many times you can make a loss. Second dot was found, but we missed this trade. Yes, one dot, and in second we made a trade by clicking on lower. Okay, because there was a second dot at here, and 6 trade are profitable. See how good amount of profit we are making right now. Let's keep on searching. Here one dot, second dot. Dots are below the candles, that's why I made a trade by clicking on higher, and we made a profit here also. 7 trades are profitable already. Until one trade is lost, we are not going to stop trading. Okay, here you can see there was second dot, but we missed that trade, so we keep on finding. Second dot has found, but we missed this chance to enter this trade. One dot, and in second dot we will make trade by clicking on lower because dot have formed above the candles. Yes, we made a loss at here. 7 trades, right? One was lost. Now we'll stop trading for today, and we have made a good amount of profit, as you can see here. Make sure to like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.